What's the meaning of body check? Body check. Body check.
Body check. Body check. Body check is a term used in sports to refer to the physical act of colliding into an opposing player with one's body. The result of a successful body check is that the opposing player is knocked off balance or even knocked to the ground, which can lead to a disruption of their play or even a turnover. Body checking is common in sports like ice hockey, lacrosse, and rugby, where physical contact is a fundamental aspect of the game. However, it is important to note that body checking can also be dangerous and result in injuries if not executed properly or within the rules of the game.